sleep. Righty dighties. Hey, please shut up. I need to sleep. Shut up. Shut up, Righty dighties. I need to sleep. It has an attitude.
Why was the
No.
what?
You snoring?
I didn't hear anything. I didn't see nothing.
Yes.
Boy. I didn't do anything.
Don, your turn. What now?
Donald Duck.
What do you want? Tell them to be quiet next time. Me tell them to be quiet.
Okay. I have it down.
Easy
Wait, the
peasy.
4 and the 6.
Easy peasy. But do we even know how I'm gonna do that? Just you said it was easy, so just do it. Okay, fine. All right. Fine.
Why would we listen to you? Would he make you tell us what to do? No, that's no fair. No fun.
But now it is.
What do you mean that?
I don't know what to do. I gotta go get drunk.
This is, you can get
I don't know because I can't see.
what the heck?
8. 4 and 8.
Wait, oh.
Oh, it's in my hand. Oh, okay.
You learned your lesson, right?
Yes, Donald. I did. Don't beat me up.
You're like that. No, stay right there. Who's next? Who's next?
Donald Duck, you scaring me.
Oh, so you next.
Wait, what? I never said that.
Wait, I'm the host? Wait a second.
You never snore again.
Fine.
Where's one?
What is the code on?
I did nothing. I told you. I didn't see nothing. I was asleep.
Oh, I can't click you.
You're the one with the eyes closed. Oh yeah, I would.
No. Yeah, I can. I am, but nothing's happening. I can't press it. Yes, I'm trying to. It's not working now.
Now I'm gonna break yours.
Oh no, I gotta get him.
What?
What the heck going on here?
Why are they all laying down? Sorry. I beat them up.
He beat me up so he beat me up
Miss
so
Olivia,
bad.
I have a monitor, but all my pencils are not working.
Yeah, he beat me up too.
He beat me up. He beat me up harder. It was scary. It was scary.
16.
Never make him tell us what to do ever again. We won't. Don't beat us up anymore, please, please. Only if you don't snore while I'm trying to sleep.
2,
Okay, fine.
20. Go to the 6.
No, you can
On the 6.
sleep. Okay, you better not snore, you brats. You're gonna have nightmares after this.
3, 4.
Oh man.
24.
Just gonna go to sleep. Yeah, go to sleep. Don't think about this anymore. Don't think of this anymore, Dicey. Don't think of this anymore. Okay, I'm just gonna go to sleep.
1, 2, 3,
I told you, don't snore.
5.
Sorry. Sorry. I'm sorry. You better be sorry, you little
1,
brat.
2,
Cause the next time you do it, I'm gonna beat you up some more.
12.
Okay,
Yeah.
Donald Duck. Hey, don't snore. Don't snore. I don't want to get beat up. I can't snore. Just don't think about this anymore. Don't snore. Can't snore. I don't want to get beat up by Donald Duck anymore. He's so mean. I don't want this happening ever again. I'm just gonna go sleep. I'm going to sleep. Who's snoring? Who's snoring?
No,
Who's
22.
snoring?
No, 24.
Me?
24.
Ouch. What? Ouch. Not again. Ouch. Not again. Oh, fine. No, I try to make myself forget this. Then why you keep snoring? Ouch. Why are you keep hitting me? I'm not hitting you. The chair is.
Miss Olivia, I don't have any more space.
You kicking me. Well, the chairs, you hitting the chair. Oh, you gonna wake up the others. Okay. But I'm not gonna snore anymore. Please, just
4. I had 4.
just remind
8,
me
12,
not to snore.
6,
Okay, just
20,
remind me.
24,
Okay, please, can you
6,
Yeah.
12,
better
18,
not snore?
24,
I'm trying to
30,
sleep here.
36.
I'm sleepy. Beating you up. Ugh. Ow, that's it. Ouch.
12,
Damn.
24, 30,
Fine, I won't
and
snore.
36.
Or you better not. Don't snore. This is my final chip. Because he said, oh, and
Great.
if you snore,
Which one is the greatest?
gonna put you in the ghost closet. The ghost closet? No!
Same.
Please, no, don't do it. Don't do it,
12.
please. Okay, I won't. But if you snore one more time, I will. Okay.
24.
Ghost closet. Joe, don't snore. I don't want to go in the ghost closet. Yeah.
16.
Just gonna go to sleep. Yeah.
Okay.
There's it. I'm putting you in the ghost closet. Oh,
I wrote this.
no.